Hello everyone. Welcome to Maharashtra's number one coaching institute. Hello everyone. Welcome to India's number one coaching institute, MT Eduvare Limited, popularly known as Mahesh Tutorials. This is Ajay sir here. Hope you all are doing well. In today's session, we are going to discuss the model answers of periodic assessment 1 exam for the subject mathematics. In periodic assessment 1 exam students, you were having two chapters. One is the number system and another one is lines and angles. So in this session, we are going to discuss the answers of number systems. Talking about the first question was the activity based question, MCQ type question. So the first MCQ was, what does the given diagram represent? The answer should be option A, number line. Just by looking at the diagram, we can observe it is a number line having a distance of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So obviously it is a number line. So your answer should be option A, number line. Talking about the second question was, what does the numbers in the diagram represent? So you can see the numbers are starting from 0. So the numbers which starts from 0 are called as what? Whole numbers. So your answer for second question should be option A, whole numbers. Talking about question number 3. In question number 3, it was given that 1 unit is equal to 1 kilometer. And the answer is given in the form of meters, that is 2000 meters. So first we need to convert 2000 meters into kilometers. For that, we all should be knowing 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So to convert this 2500 meters into kilometers, we need to divide it by 1000. So if we divide it by 1000, here two zeros will get cancelled and one more zero is there in the denominator. That means your answer should be 2.5 kilometer. So the number 2.5, we need to observe on the number line, whatever options are given to us. In that 4 options, 2.5 is option C, which is lying between 2 and 3. So your correct answer should be option C, 2.5. Talking about the next question, that is question number 4. In question number 4, it was given that is 2500 a rational number? So your answer should be option A. Yes, it is a rational number. Why? Because 2500 is a terminating decimal answer. So terminating, that means it's a rational number. Talking about the fifth question, here it is given that can distance covered represent as a whole number? So your answer should be option A. Yes, distance covered can be 0 also, right? उसने कुछ cover ही नहीं किया distance. So your answer should be option A. Yes, it can be represented as a whole number. So question number 1, very simple question, MCQ type question. If you observe the paper, it was having two chapters, one chapter of number system, algebra, and another one is lines and angles, geometry. Total, there were 10 questions in the paper. Out of these 10 questions, 5 questions is of algebra, 5 questions is of geometry. The total weightage of the paper is 30 marks, out of which 16 marks is for algebra and 14 marks is for geometry. That means number system chapter is having weightage of 16 marks in this paper. And for lines and angles, it is having weightage of 14 marks. So the total marks is of 30 marks. Question number 1 is completed. I hope it is clear to everyone. You can go through with your answers and check whether it is correct or not. Coming to next question, that is question number 4 of number system, section B. The question is 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. If root 3 is given as 1.7. Now this question is of 2 marks. First, in this question, what we need to do is, if you observe the denominator, in the denominator we are having a number 2, which is a rational, and root 3, which is an irrational number. So first of all, we need to rationalize the denominator because we don't need a root sign in the denominator. So for this type of question, first what we are going to do, we are going to rationalize the denominator. Just observe that ये जो question है ना, इसमें रूट साइन नहीं दिया ऐसा assume करो. एज्यूम करो रूट से नहीं दिए हैं, सो हम लोग क्या करते थे, अपन में जो माइनस है उसको कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई करते थे, माइनस का कॉन्जुगेट दैट इज प्लस, 2 प्लस रूट 3. सो वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ न्यूमरेटर एज वेल एज इन डिनोमिनेटर बाय इट्स कॉन्जुगेट. 2 माइनस रूट 3 का कॉन्जुगेट 2 प्लस रूट 3. So we are multiplying 2 plus root 3 both in numerator as well as in denominator. Now multiply करते समय we need to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3, it is like x into x, that is x square. So it will be 2 plus root 3 the whole square. And in the denominator we always know that it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Both are having same numbers, the only difference is in between sign, plus and minus. So the identity of a plus b and a minus b, that is a square minus b square. A square, that is 2 square, minus root 3, that is root 3 ka square, b square. You can mention over here by using a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. In next step, डिनोमिनेटर को पहला सॉल्व किया, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, रूट 3 का स्क्वायर 3, रूट एंड स्क्वायर गेट्स कैंसिल्ड, so what remains over here is 4 minus 3, that gives you 1. In next step, upon में 1 नहीं लिखा फिर भी चलेगा, then we have taken square root, this square root and square will get cancelled, so what remains over here is 2 plus root 3 upon 1. upon 1 नहीं लिखा फिर भी चलेगा, so 2 plus root 3, root 3, the value of root 3 was given in the question, it was 1.73. So after adding, you get the answer as 3.73. So your answer should be 3.73 for this question. Question of 2 marks. Very simple question. Coming to the next question, that was question number 5 of number line. Question for 2 marks. It was given represent root 5 on number line. So very simple question. You already know, we have already discussed this question in the classroom. Textual question. Don't forget to write scale on top right hand side corner. If you haven't written scale, your marks will be deducted. Half mark will be deducted, half or 1 mark. Now here we need to represent root 5 on the number line. Now we don't know the exact answer of root 5. So we need to go to the previous number, that is root 4 before root 5. We know the answer of root 4, it is 2. So we have started our calculation from point 2. From point 2 we have kept protractor and 90 degree का marking करके हमने एक straight line draw किया. After that we have taken rounder. By keeping needle of rounder on point 2, we have marked 3 centimeter arc on that line. Then we have connected O and B using scale and pencil. After that we have taken rounder. By keeping needle at point O, we have measured the distance of OB and then we have marked an arc of this point O to B. The arc which intersect the number line, that point of intersection will be called as root 5. Don't forget to mention this 1 in it, root 5 over here, and don't forget to give the naming to this triangle OAB. Now here in this question it is not mentioned calculation, so you just need to draw a number line. The question is of 2 marks. If the question is for 3 or 4 marks, we need to show the calculation. क्वेश्चन में मेंशन करके देते कैलकुलेशन शो करना है, तो आप लोग को करना है. इस क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं किया था, तो यू कैन जस्ट राइट द you can just draw the number line. No need to show the calculation. You'll get full marks. Coming to next question, section C, question number 7. The question was rationalize the denominator. Simplify करना था. Here you can see we are having 3 numbers in the denominator. 3 terms are there. As of now, textual question अगर आप लोग देखोगे, so we were having 2 types of question. Type 1 monomial in the denominator. Type 2 binomial in the denominator. Here you can see we are having 3 terms. So what we need to do is we need to convert these 3 terms into 2 terms by using bracket. So now the main part is कौन से 2 नंबर को एक टर्म करके assume करना है. दोनों नंबर सेम टाइप के दिखने चाहिए. जैसे कि हियर अगर हम लोग स्क्वायर करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में, तो 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 4, रूट 3 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 3. तो 4 + 3 7, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं पे 7 and 7 मैच हो रहा है, आगे जाके कैंसिल हो सकता है. So what we are doing, we are keeping 2 + √3 in one bracket. We are assuming 2 + √3 as one term and √7 as another term. So right now we are having only two terms in the denominator. One is 2 + √3, other one is √7. So what is in between sign of these two? The sign is plus. So for rationalizing the denominator, we need to multiply by its conjugate. In between plus is there. So the conjugate for the same is in between minus sign. Rest two terms will be as it is, 2 + √3 √7 as it is. खाली यहाँ पे minus से multiply करना है, both in numerator as well as in denominator. So let us multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 4 into this numerator, we'll keep this in bracket, 4 into bracket 2 + √3 minus √7. The whole upon, in the denominator we are having two terms which is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So a मतलब 2 + √3, b मतलब √7. So a square, that is 2 + √3 the whole square, minus b square, b मतलब √7 का square. So in next step, 4 into numerator as it is. Let us solve the denominator. In denominator we are having 2 + √3 the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. ऐसा डायरेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं करना है, 2 का स्क्वायर √3 का स्क्वायर ऐसे नहीं करना. It will be in the form of identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप लोग लिखोगे a square, that is 2 का स्क्वायर, plus 2 into a, that is 2 into b, that is √3, plus b का स्क्वायर. स्टूडेंट्स हियर इट शुड बी प्लस, यहाँ पे प्लस साइन होना चाहिए, बाय मिस्टेक वहाँ पे माइनस लिख दिया है. इट शुड बी प्लस √3 का स्क्वायर, okay, minus √7. So in next step, if you solve, we get the answer as 2 का स्क्वायर 4 plus 2 to the 4 √3. In next step, plus 3 as it is, √3 का स्क्वायर plus 3 minus √7 का स्क्वायर, root and square gets cancelled, answer is -7. So in next step, numerator 4 into 2 + √3 minus √7 as it is. Denominator we are having 4 + 3, that is 7, and 7 minus 7, that gives you 0. That means everything is getting cancelled. What remains in the denominator is 4 √3. So in next step we can cancel this 4 and 4. So what remains over here is 2 + √3 minus √7 upon √3. But still you can see in the denominator we are having root wala number. It is not getting cancelled. So one more time we need to rationalize. So to rationalize the monomial in the denominator, we need to multiply by the same number both in numerator as well as in denominator. So we will multiply √3 in numerator as well as in denominator. So let's write √3 into this numerator as it is in one bracket, and √3 into √3, that gives you 3. Root and root gets cancelled, answer 3. And next step, this √3 after opening the bracket will get multiplied with each and every term. So answer is 2 into √3, that is 2 √3. √3 into √3, that is 3, minus √3 into √7, that is √21 upon 3. So your answer should be this one, 2 √3 plus 3 minus √21 upon 3. So little bit a different type of question. Hope it is clear to everyone. Just check it out what you are done. Coming to the last question, that was question number 10, 4 marks question. The question was, the value of x was given to us in the form of fraction, where you can see in the denominator we are having one rational number, that is 2, and another irrational number, that is √3. So whenever we have root wala number in the denominator, the first thing that comes to our mind is rationalize the denominator. So here you can see in the denominator we are having minus sign. We need to multiply by its conjugates. Here it is binomial. So the conjugate for the same is 2 plus √3. Both in numerator and denominator will multiply. 1 into 2 plus √3, 2 plus √3 itself. And in the denominator we are having a minus b, a plus b. It will always be in the form of a square minus b square, the 2 ka square minus √3 ka square. 2 ka square, that is 4, √3 ka square, that is 3, 4 minus 3, that is 1. So the answer is 2 plus √3 upon 1. Upon 1 नहीं लिखा फिर भी चलेगा. तो आप लोग को x का आंसर मिल गया. बट आगे फाइंड क्या करने बोला है, देयर इज वन पॉलिनोमियल गिवन टू अस, एक्स क्यूब माइनस कुछ तो दिया है, उसमें आप लोग को वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना। अगर आप लोग डायरेक्ट एक्स का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे तो एक्स क्यूब, तो वहाँ पे क्यूब वाला फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, चलेगा, आंसर सेम आएगा बट थोड़ा लेंथी हो जाएगा। सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, जो आप लोग को पॉलिनोमियल दिया है आगे, ये वाला जो पॉलिनोमियल दिया है, फ्रॉम दिस पॉलिनोमियल, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स वी आर टेकिंग एक्स कॉमन, फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स में से वी आर टेकिंग एक्स कॉमन, सो दैट इन ब्रैकेट वी आर हैविंग एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 7। सो आप लोग चेक कर सकते हैं आगे जाके ना, कहाँ पे भी क्यूब करने की जरूरत नहीं है, खाली स्क्वायर और एक्स वाले टर्म आने वाला। तो स्क्वायर हम लोग को पहले फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, एक्स स्क्वायर का वैल्यू फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। सो व्हाट वी आर डन, यहाँ पे एक्स का जो आंसर हम लोग को मिला था 2 + √3, हम लोग ने पहले उसका स्क्वायर किया, स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ द साइड्स। सो लेफ्ट साइड में एक्स स्क्वायर, राइट साइड में 2 + √3 द होल स्क्वायर, it is in the form of a plus b the whole square. The formula for the same is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square मतलब 2 का square plus 2 into a that is 2 into b that is √3 plus b square that is √3 का square. In next step 2 square that is 4, 2 to the 4, √3 as it is, plus √3 का square that is 3. Then 4 plus 3 that is 7, 7 plus 4 √3, that is the answer of x square. So whenever you are going to substitute the value of x, you need to substitute 2 plus √3, and wherever there is x square, in place of that we need to substitute 7 plus 4 √3. That's it. Now the calculation will be easy. So let's come to the question. The question was x cube minus 7x minus 2x square plus 5. इसका आप लोग को वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। So in place of x हम लोग x का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे जो ऊपर मिला था, एंड x स्क्वायर के बदले ये वाला वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। So first we had taken x common, so in the bracket x square minus 7 remains, minus 2x square plus 5 as it is. In place of x we have written the value of x which we have got in the previous calculation, 2 plus √3 x square. The value of x square here we have found, it is 7 plus 4 √3 minus 7 as it is, minus 2 into bracket x square. X square, the value of x square we have found, that is 7 plus 4 √3. So let's substitute that. Let's keep this in bracket, plus 5 as it is. Now in next step, plus 7 minus 7 gets cancelled. What remains over here is 4 √3. Now we need to multiply this 4 √3 with this bracket. So 4 √3 will get multiplied with both the terms. 4 to the 8, √3 as it is. 4 √3 into √3. √3 into √3, that is 3, and 3 4s, that is 12. Then we'll multiply this 2 with both the terms. Minus 2 into 7, that is minus 14, plus minus minus 2 4s are 8, 8 √3 as it is, plus 5. In next step, 8 √3 minus 8 √3 gets cancelled. So what remains over here is 12 minus 14, that is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5, the answer is 3. That's it. So your answer should be 3 for this question. Very simple question, 4-mark question. So students, the paper was little bit different paper. You were having some additional questions in it. See, if your textual concepts are clear, you need to practice some more questions like this from different books like Artificial Maharas Agarwal, Oswal's. Sir had given assignment to you all, so hope so you must have practiced that questions so that आप लोग को ये पेपर थोड़ा easy लगा रहेगा। अगर आप लोगों ने एडिशनल क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस नहीं किए होंगे तो आप लोग को पेपर थोड़ा टफ गया रहेगा, बिकॉज इट वाज हैविंग some additional questions in it and some textual questions. It was a mixture of both. So start practicing some additional questions once the chapter is completed, and get your doubts clear if you are having any doubt in any one particular question. So that's it. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye. See you all. Just identify कि आप लोगों ने क्या क्या मिस्टेक किया है, and make a note of the doubts in the question whatever you are having. Bye bye. Thank you so much.